Today we're gonna do basic cookies. All you need is 70 grams of sugar, 70 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of flour, and 80 grams of coconut flour, 180 grams of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of salt, 1 pack of vanilla sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. At first, put the butter with the white and brown sugar into a bowl. Then add the salt. Mix it until combined. Add then the egg, as well as the vanilla sugar and the vanilla flavor. Stir it again. And add the flour, the coconut flour with the baking powder at last. It's important to sift the flour. Mix it again until combined. And at the end, knead the dough by your hand. Knead it until it looks like this. Then put it on a piece of cling film. Flatten the dough on it like this. Then cover the dough with the cling film and put it in the fridge. Keep it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Meanwhile, prepare a board with flour. Take the cookie dough out of the fridge. Take a small piece of the dough and flatten it. Then cut out the biscuit. Repeat until the dough is gone. Then put the cookies on a baking tray and put them into the oven at 180 degrees. They for usual need about 30 minutes. As soon as they get a brown surface, take them out of the oven. Make sure to not leave them too long in the oven. At the end, the cookies should be soft like a cake when biting them. Let the cookies cool down and they are ready to serve. As a topping or decoration, you can use chocolate or powdered sugar glaze. For this you need powdered sugar and the juice of half a lemon. Stir it until combined. Add as much powdered sugar as needed for the juice of half a lemon, meaning until the consistency gets more solid. Then dip the cookies inside and put them in the fridge to harden the glaze.